Hey guys, I'm making this quick video for you about the Xiaomi electric scooter 4 Pro 2nd gen, like the Pro 2. There are things that you need to know about the cones that I prepared. So the first thing, and this is like really important, is much heavier. I don't know if it's a cone for you or Pro, but this product weighs at 19 kilos. Comparing to the standard one, not the 2nd gen, it got 17 kilos. So this is the first really important thing. The second thing regards the cone is you can have a lack of suspension. So absence of suspension makes rides on rough surfaces like gravel or cobblestones uncomfortable. Also, tubeless tires partially mitigate this issue, but not entirely. The app could be more user-friendly. Also, screen prone to scratching even with minimal contact. And charging port cover seems fragile and stand is short and not easily accessible. Then you can have the kinetic energy recovery system cannot be deactivated and slows down the scooter too much when releasing the accelerator. And you can have better protection. When it's like when you're in a place where it's raining a lot, like a lot, additional protection may be needed for use in a heavy rain. So these are the like important things that I want you to share. Is that yes, it got really good power and performance. Like comparing when you're gonna find right here, the motor power is just better here comparing to the 4 Pro here, right? So this is also the range is different, little bit better. So in this regard, it's great. I mean, if you feel that you want to test it out, go ahead and do it. I just want to make this like the 5 cons that you need to know about it. So like important things that you need to know. Have a great day and goodbye.